Hey guys, what's going on? Got another video for you guys here today. This one's going to be on Tesla and why I'm so bullish on this stock, and I expect in the next 3 to 4 years for it to basically double its market cap, market value, market share, whatever you want to call it, whatever way you want to put it. I expect for this company to be a tremendous growth beast, and I kind of want to highlight why I think that. So the picture down below is a Tesla Shanghai factory. It's expected to open later this year, which I'll get into at the end of this video. But this is going to be the real key to that growth that I was just talking about, that I think will just lay out the roadmap to them being the biggest car maker probably in the whole entire world. So let's look at the China market. It is a big market, is it? Yeah, it's the biggest. So they have about a 1% at the end of 2018 electric vehicle car usage out of the whole entire cars there. US is in second with about 0.45. However, let's look at California down here. They're at 2%. I guess you could call California the early adopter market, anything you want to call it. We have good tax incentives to buy a Tesla down here. I live in California. I'm from San Diego. I live in San Diego. I see Teslas all the time and I'm so jealous. I can't wait to get my hand on one day. So how is Tesla doing in China? Well, they're doing okay, but why are they doing okay? Kind of think about that. Why are they doing okay? Well, they are getting hit with a tariff at about 40%. That's insane. Like a 40% just extra amount added onto a car. Can you imagine going to a Ford, a Toyota, a Nissan, whatever dealership tomorrow, looking at a car, seeing a price tag, and then just having to add 40% on top of that just to get the car, even though you know it's not worth that because there's an extra 40% on it? Yeah, so just think about that and how that could affect Tesla currently until they open the Shanghai factory to start building the cars there. So currently, if I wanted to buy Tesla here in California and San Diego, it's about $39,000. But if I were in China with an extra 40%, that would add on an extra $15,600, bringing the total price of a Tesla Model 3 to about $55,000 for the cheapest version. So can you imagine why they aren't selling a buttload of cars there quite yet? Well, let's look at how the other sales are doing of other vehicles. The number one vehicle in May 2019 sold 7,000 units. And our car down here, the Tesla Model 3, sold 2,000 units. That is a quite different increase with a 5,000 unit difference. However, when you look at the price difference, I think it'll tell you everything you need to know. That first car is $32,500, which would be an average vehicle cost. The Tesla is selling for $55,000, almost double the price. So can you see why there would be such a big difference there? Because if you want a Tesla there, you have to be really wealthy and really crave that to just pay that extra 40%. When looking for this video and the topic to go along with this video, I found an article that was a little more recent that I found pretty interesting. Came out May 31st, and it's Tesla promotes lower price China Model May 3 in sales push. So they were able to bring the price down per vehicle to about $47,000, lowering that total cost by about $8,000. So I'd be curious to see the June-July numbers to just see how many more cars are selling with that little bit of a price decrease. Because once they're able to get the cars down to kind of what it is here in the United States, around $39,000, possibly even cheaper in China because it's a little cheaper labor, even though they're using mainly machines, I'm sure they'll be able to lower the price point a little more than here in the States. So with everything being said, I think Tesla Shanghai will really be the growth beast that this company needs to take at the next level, not even counting in the new model they'll be releasing, the Model Y, in 2020, and the pickup truck that has yet to be released, but it will come. And what year we don't know, but Tesla's Shanghai factory will definitely take it to the next step. And some people are even starting to think that. This is an article that might be overlooked because the media is so negative on Tesla, but a Morgan Stanley analyst went there about 2 weeks ago and had really great things to say about Tesla and made me even more bullish. I'm excited to see an analyst positive about this stock. Anyways, let me know what you guys thought in the comment there. If you thought it was a good video, if you're excited, if you're a Tesla shareholder, if you plan to buy more, sell less, just let me know what you're thinking and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Let me know if I should keep making more of these. Anyways, thank you guys.